Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add stickers to your photos and videos on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the projects icon down below, which is the second option. After that, you should select a picture, so tap on it, and then as you can see down below, the sticker icon is the second one, so tap on it. After that, you are going to see three sections at the top, such as graphics, stamps, and ABC. So tap on the relevant category that you are interested in, and here if you scroll down you are going to see all of the available items. So tap on the relevant one that is available and tap on it in order to add it to your picture. Here you can position it to the right place, you can make it bigger and smaller, you can rotate it into any directions, and you can also change the color of it, whether you would like it to be white or black in the upper left corner of the sticker. So if you are done with positioning it, then you should see the result here. Tap on the checkmark icon down below to save it, and if you click on the arrow button at the top of the screen, you are going to see that the edited picture will appear at the projects section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.